Herewith following livestream is rated R for adult language, highly inappropriate jokes, and who knows what the frack be Commodore Productions will say next. Like, subscribe.
Hello everybody. Do you think it's time to shave this off and get rid of this mop? What do you think? Hit the thumbs up. If I get a large amount of thumbs up, we'll be taking this off. So hit that thumbs up, everybody. Hit that sucker. Break the crap out of that thumbs up. If I get like 50 thumbs up, we'll take all this off live. So there you go. Hit that thumbs up, everybody. It's time to shave this shit off my face. Have a good one. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Commodore Productions.